It's bon appetit. It's time to awaken your taste bud, and one of the ways to do that is to make this delicious sweet and soured fish sauce. When I tell you, this is so yummy. The ingredients needed in making this sauce are boneless fish, oil, paprika, salt, crushed pepper, lemon, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, pineapple, vinegar, garlic, ginger, onion, bell peppers, tomato, pepper, egg white, and cornstarch. So let's get into the prepping and making of the sauce. The first thing I want to do is to cut my fish. Like I said in my ingredient list, I'm making use of boneless fish. After cutting the fish, it's time to season the fish to give it taste. I'm seasoning my fish with salt, paprika, crushed pepper, and lemon. Lemon pairs so well with fish. Mix well and cover up and place in the fridge for 15 minutes to marinate. After 15 minutes in the fridge, bring out and add cornstarch and egg whites. Mix this together properly. The next step is to fry the fish. Put oil into the frying pan, leave to heat up, and add the fish in bits. And fry in batches. This is to avoid the fish from clustering together. As the fish is frying, let's prep for other ingredients. The next thing I'm prepping for is for the sweet and soured sauce. In a bowl, combine sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, fresh lemon, fresh pineapple juice, white vinegar, and water. Mix well together and set aside. The other thing to get ready is the vegetables and aromatics. I have chopped up my tomato, bell pepper, the red, green, and yellow, and ginger, garlic, and yellow pepper. So let's assemble all the ingredients together. In a saucepan or wok, add little oil, saute the garlic and ginger. Add in onions, saute for a minute. Add the tomato and pepper. Cook for 2 minutes. We would love to hear from you. Is there a dish you will be craving for or a recipe you'd like us to make? Drop your suggestion on our social media handle at AIT Music Plus using the hashtag Bon Appetit. Add the bell peppers, cook for 8 minutes. Add the sweet and sour sauce. Mix well. Add the fish. Mix up together properly. Our delicious sauce is ready. You can pair this with any carbohydrates of your choice. Bon appetit! Au revoir. Don't forget to drop your recipe suggestion that you would love us to make on our social media handle at AIT Music Plus using the hashtag Bon Appetit.